Now this is our third video tutorial about Arduino, but this video is just for the basic components of electronics which we will use on our Arduino projects. So here we go. On the screen we are see some of the basic components of the electronics. So let us start with these. These are our normal using 9-volt batteries. So we are just So first thing I want to show you is this breadboard actually. Okay, let me zoom it. Sorry. This is our breadboard. So a breadboard is a solderless device for temporary prototype with electronics and test circuit designs. Most electronic components in electronic circuit can be interconnected by inserting their leads or terminals into the holes and then making connections through wires where appropriate. Okay, so from here to here, okay, from here to here, all holes in the selected row are internally connected. From here to go and to here. All holes are internally connected. Okay, so when we put a battery terminal here, so we can connect a wire here and can take a same voltage, same rating voltage. Okay, now from here to here, this is not internally connected, so we can use a wire to connect them, and from again here to here, these all are connected. Okay, and in this section, these are horizontally connected. So all holes in the selected columns are internally connected in this horizontal manner. Okay, these all connected, and now from here these are connected. Okay, and same here, these are connected like this. Okay, from here these are not connected. Okay, so this is our all breadboard. Okay, okay, now one thing I want to show you is this multimeter. This is a digital multimeter. We have two types of multimeter, analog and digital. We are using digital in electronics components. This is a digital multimeter. Which have a voltage rating, resistance meter, continuity tester here, and some more ratings. This is a current rating for ampere, and this is a AC current, AC voltage, sorry. We are not going to depth of this multimeter because this is just a basic lecture. We will making again a new lecture on these all components. Okay, so now going to soldering iron. This is our soldering iron actually, which has a soldering backs and a soldering wire. Okay, so a soldering iron is a hand tool used in soldering. It supplies heat to melt soldering wire so that it can flow into the joint between two workplaces. Okay, now move to the LEDs. These all are LEDs. Let me show it again. So this is our LED. Okay, LED is the sort of light emitting diode, which is a 2-lead. Oops. Let me put it here. So this is our LED. LED is a 2-lead semiconductor light source. It is a PN junction diode which emits light when activated. When a suitable voltage is applied to the leads, electrons are able to recombine with electron holes within the device, releasing energy in the form of photons. This effect is called electroluminescence, and the color of the light is determined by the energy band gap of the semiconductor. Okay, let me show indicator of this. This is the indicator. We can indicate with this sign. Okay, move it again. Okay, so these are our LEDs. Now showing some resistors. These are our resistors in different ratings. These resistors don't have any terminal, so not plus minus on there. Let me just okay. Okay, these are our resistors. Place it away. So resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. Fixed resistors have resistances that only change slightly with temperature, time, or operating voltage. Variable resistors can be used to adjust the resistance in circuits. Okay, we have a carbon color code resistors. On this I want to show you. See, on these resistors we have some colors, so from color coding we can easily find the value. of the resistors from multimeter also. So these are our resistors. Let us move to the potentiometers. From here we are different kind of potentiometers used. This is a potentiometer, which is a 3-terminal device. A potentiometer or a pot is a type of variable resistors. It is a 3-terminal resistor with a continuously adjust tapping point controlled via rotation of a shaft or knob or via linear slider. It has a knob actually on this potentiometer. See, I want to show you here. This is our knob to put it away. Slide the slider. Some different kinds of potentiometer here. Okay. Okay. Let us move to the capacitors. There are 2 different kinds of capacitors. This is ceramic, this is cylindrical, okay, or called electrolyte capacitor. A capacitor is a device used to store an electric charge consisting of one or more pairs of conductors separated by an oscillator. The non-conducting dielectric acts to increase the capacitor's charge capacity. Okay, this is our capacitor, which is used to store the charge. And now move it. This is our Zener diode. Let me focus on this. Okay. Okay, it's not focusing. Okay, so Zener diodes are widely used as voltage reference and as shunt regulators to regulate the voltage across small circuits when connected in a parallel with a variable voltage source, so that it is reverse biased. A Zener diode conducts when the voltage reaches the diode's reverse breakdown voltage. Okay, this is our Zener diode. Now move to the transistors. There are some NPN and PNP transistors. Okay, this is our transistor. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. It is composed of semiconductor material, usually with at least 3 terminals for connection to an external circuit. 3 terminals are emitter, base, and collector. Okay. This is our emitter, this is our base, and this is our collector. Okay, this is our transistor. Let us move to the buzzer. This is an electrical device that makes a buzzing noise and is used for the output signal. Okay, these are the rubber buzzer. Okay. there are some different kind of different on which this is our push button. Okay, we can press it. A push button or simply button is a simple switch mechanism to control some aspect of a machine or a process. Buttons are typically made out of hard material, usually plastic or metal. On this, these are our rainbow wires connected on it. So now move to some. These are our 555 timers chip. This is a 8 terminal device. 8 terminal, 8 second. The 555 can be used to provide time delays as an oscillator and as a flip-flop elements. Now move to the PCB. This is a printed circuit board. I don't have PCB, but I have a used one. This is our PCB. On this side, show it. This is our PCB. Okay, I made a 8 into 8 matrix on this PCB. We will make another. Let me show it properly. We will make another lecture on this 8x8 matrix. Now move to the sensors we will use on this series. There are 3 types of sensors, 1, 2 and 3. This is our photoresistor, or called LDR, light dependent resistor, which is a light control variable resistor. The resistance of a photoresistor decreases with increasing incident light intensity. In other words, it activates photoconductivity. A photoresistor can be applied in a light sensitive detected circuit and light and dark activated circuits. Okay. Let me zoom it properly. This is our photoresistor, or say LDR in simple language. Okay. Now this is our thyristor. This is looking like a capacitor but different from it. And this is a LM35 sensor. It is a temperature sensor. Okay. Now moves to the IC7805. This is IC7805. This is a voltage regulator. Okay. Regulates the voltage on 5 volts. Even it's just a series. 05 is a voltage which is regulates. There are some ICs. These are our LM324 ICs, which has a 4 op-amp circuits internally connected on it. 14-pin IC. Now move to this. This is our microcontroller at Mega8Tel. Okay. So for you, this is a microcontroller. We're not using this, but for a microcontroller knowledge, showing it to you. We can't display this. Okay, now these are some of connectors. This is F to F connector, or can say male connector it is. This is our female connector. Okay, these are two types of connectors. These are our 7-segment display. A 7-segment display which is available in market in two types, common cathode and common anode. This is our common cathode displays. Okay. And this is our cap, battery cap, simple. These are our diode, simple diode. This is a unidirectional device. Okay, some more switches there. Okay, this is our all the components. Okay, I think we done it. Okay, I want to show you. This is our cutter, can see. These are our some batteries we are using. We are not using batteries, we are using a power supply of our Arduino board. We have a 5-volt supply on it, which is quite enough for this purpose, and also have a ground on it. So we are not using these batteries, we are using power of Arduino. So this is it. So in the next lecture we will start our Arduino IDE, deal with the hardware part. Okay, software as well as hardware. Okay, thank you, and subscribe to our channel.